Hey, this is Vega Patel LLC. I'm just giving you guys a quick update on my chickens, or I should say roosters. I ended up with a lot of roosters, but I'm going to take that guy there and breed him with that girl there. You can see I got two more roosters there. That one, actually three, because those two top hats are roosters. That white one's a rooster. I'm thinking that black one there is a rooster along with that one, so I might breed those, or let me rephrase that. That's a chicken, that's a rooster. So I'll probably end up breeding those two together. And then let's see, where's everybody else hiding at? So I got that little one there, that's a chicken. I'm gonna end up breeding her with that white rooster right there. I just gotta build separate breeding pens for all of them. As for the ones I'm not breeding, I'm going to end up giving away. So those two there, I'll probably end up giving away. That one there, I'll end up giving away. And so, but what I'm going to do is, since I do have so many chickens in my, or roosters, and they are laying, I'm going to take some of these eggs I already have and see if I can't put them in the incubator and hopefully get some more chickens. So that's the goal for right now. So I already have my incubator going and set up. And yeah, all that crowing just gets annoying. So we'll go in and take a look at the incubator, and I already even have some eggs set up for that. So here I have my incubator set up. The red light lets me know that it's on. Let me check the temperatures at 99.5. I know it's a little hard to see. Let me put this in the light. 99.5. The humidity is a little low on it. Well, let me rephrase it. Let me check the humidity with this other one I have in here. It's at 25%, 24. So I'm gonna add some more water on there. Need to have a lot more humidity than what we have right now. But other than that, temperature is right where it should be. So hopefully I'll be able to put in some eggs in here tonight, and I'll show you guys the eggs here in a little bit. All right, it's right here in this corner. It's a little hard to see. Eggs. Got a little bit over a dozen and a half. So I got these here. Let me see what I'm going to try to incubate. But these are the eggs here. I'm going to put them in the incubator and see how they do. So keep you folks up to date. This one I put a crack in it, so we'll see. I might not throw that one in there because it'll just die and stink up. Alright, so I'm going to get ready to put these eggs into the incubator. Sorry, the lighting ain't that great in here. I took that one broken one out. Turkey in there also. I actually got rid of one of my roosters today. The neighbor came by and took it. So there's different types of egg incubators. This one's probably one of the cheapest ones. You could get it with a turner. I didn't get the turner on it. I just come in here and turn them by hand either 2 or 3 times a day. The humidity is at 57, which is pretty good. So we'll put them in here, and in about 7 days I'll come back and check the candle them to make sure they're actually developing and all that. So it's just gonna be one long video, so it'll be like quite a few part video, but it'll take me about 20 or some odd days before I post it. So probably July 10th or July 11th I'll come back and I'll check on them, and we'll candle them with my homemade candler. All right, so today's June 10th. These eggs have been in here for 10 days. I'm going to candle them with this here. This is my homemade candler, just duct tape and a piece of cardboard on the top with a hole cut out. So we're going to turn off the lights. We're going to check these eggs and go from there. I'm a little worried because we had a rainstorm today and the electricity went out for about an hour, so hopefully they're still good. But it's going to get dark here for a little bit. All right, so let me know if that's not good.
What?
The candler's not
Staying on.
Yeah, let's see. It's giving me issues today. All right, let's see. Some technical difficulties. I don't know if you can see right there. Can you see that?
Here, if you'll hold it from the side here, we can see like it's half dark, half light on one side.
Okay. How's that?
Yep.
All right. So that one's good. And then I don't think I'm gonna do all of them for you guys.
That
Just
one's good.
just a couple, just so you can see.
Yeah, because the batteries went out today.
Oh, on the phone charger?
On this.
Oh, on the already? Wow. And that one there. And then the one I think's not gonna have anything in it, but we're still gonna check it. Is gonna be the
Turkey?
The turkey egg. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, see, there's
Nothing.
no. You can just see the yolk there, but that's it. So, but we'll see. And then,
All right.
so far so good. This one,
That looks like
it might have died. Don't look like the other ones. So, well, I'm not gonna take any out today. This one looks like it's started and maybe didn't make it.
It looks like there might still be something in there.
Yeah, so I'm not taking any out today. This one looks really good. So as I'm saying, I'm not going to take any out today, so we'll candle today, and then we'll check again back in 7 more days. And then whatever's definitely looks dead or like nothing's in it, then those will definitely take out. And that way we'll leave more room in here for the eggs that are good to go. But I mean, it's not looking too bad so far. Looks like only, well, never mind, three eggs. All right, this one's got, all right, yeah, that one's good.
That one's got a lot of development.
Yeah, so it looks like so far only, okay, see, every time I say that, 4 eggs.
Stop jinxing it.
I know. Shh, stop saying it. But even then, with 4 eggs, or not. See, this one looks like it started and then might have died somewhere along the way. And it happens. I mean, it's never a guarantee. That's why I did a little bit over a dozen eggs. So even if I get 10 or 8 to hatch, I'm okay. So, yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys again in 7 days. Alright, today's July 17th. We're going to go ahead and we're going to candle these eggs again. And anything that's not fertile, we're going to put in here to pretty much take out of the candler. So Booty's going to take over the camera. I'm going to turn off the light, hopefully. Yeah, this thing's going to give us issues again, isn't it? I'm going to have a short. Let me get this thing fixed. Alright, let's see what we got here. Can you see me now? Oh, that's really bad. So, let's see. Right,
there we go.
Hopefully that'll work.
We have development, it looks like.
Yeah, but
not a lot.
Not a lot, but we'll keep it just because there is something in there. See, look at this one.
Sure.
Now, I know you can't see nothing. Watch, if I put it upside down, it might be the light.
Where you can see the air pocket.
Yeah, you can.
Little.
Whoa, that would have sucked, huh?
Break it.
Yeah, you can see the air pocket down there.
You almost goofed as bad as you do with that beehive inspection.
Hey. Let's see this one here. Yeah, see, this one here is the same. So ones you can't see anything in, it's probably a good thing. See, look at that.
Yeah.
So, Guess that one there just got some late development, or look at this one. It's a little hard to tell.
That looks good to me. I mean, I see blood veins and everything running through that. I mean, there's obviously some form of life in there. Yeah, that's a dud.
Yeah, that's a dud, so we'll take that one out. Where's that turkey you get? Because I know that's a definite dud.
This one's a dud.
Alright, see, yeah, here's a turkey. Yeah, definite dud.
Definitely a dud.
So we'll get rid of that one.
Sucks. Because having a little baby turkey would be kind of fun.
And then that one's good.
Mm.
Did you check this one here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, those are all good.
Then we have this one here. Kind of iffies.
I think it's good. It looks good. I see development inside of it.
Alright.
Definitely.
I need to get this chingadera fixed. Damn right, it's chingaderas.
Alan and his huyas.
Yeah. Look at this one here's good too. See that? Look at that. Sometimes if you look close enough, or
you can sort of make out the body shape.
Yeah, well, if you leave it on the light long enough, it'll actually start moving because it'll get hot. But we don't want to do that to the poor things. But, oh, pues.
Got quite a few with development.
Which is good. Wow, look at that.
Even this tiny one?
Well, this is going to be one of the, look at that.
The silkies?
Yeah, this is going to be one of the silkies.
Damn.
Well, it's a silky. Hopefully, it's a silky daddy.
Yeah, like they're both the same.
Watch if you put upside down. Yep, see there's an air bubble in there, which is good.
Gosh.
So, thought we had a lot more duds in this last time.
Perhaps some decided that they wanted to
Can you
not be dead. Yeah, I can see.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a dead.
Yeah, that's a late developer
It
there.
looked like it started developing,
Yeah,
but
and then it
like
must
just
have
kind of
died.
Just decided, you know what? I don't want to be alive. So yeah, same with this one.
Well, that one almost looks like the first one. We'll keep it in there just to be on the safe side. Yeah, see. Same
We
thing
should
with
still keep
this
it
one.
though, because if you kept that last one, then this one we definitely do need to keep.
Alright, so there's 3 so far, huh?
And that's another one.
That's a dud, so we'll take that one out. So, and then here's. Alright, that one's a dud too.
All right, ended with
So,
that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 duds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3 of them probably a little iffy. So we're looking at maybe about 11 hopefully
11.
hatching. So that's good. So hopefully these will be hatching here in 21 or not, yeah, on the what's today, the 17th. So in 7 more days that would be the 21st. So yeah, those will go in the trash because obviously we can't eat them. You want to eat those?
I'm good. Those will be right.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Might be good. We should try it. Have breakfast.
Nah, I think I'll pass. I don't want to eat like that.
But yeah, hopefully on July 21st, these eggs here will be hatching, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
So today's July 23rd, about 8:30 in the morning. I woke up to that little guy there hatched, and then looks like another one hatching right there. So we're gonna give these guys. Looks like 1, 2 other ones are hatching. So I'll let them be for right now. Gonna get ready to go do a beehive inspection when I heard these guys chirping in here, so I thought I'd come in and check on them real quick. I wasn't expecting to start hatching honestly till about tomorrow or Wednesday, so I'm not ready for these guys. I guess I miscounted, but I can get everything ready here in a little bit. But let me go get set up for that beehive inspection, do that, and then I'll get back to you on the chicks. Alright, so you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 5 that have hatched. Don't see any more that look like they might be hatching. So just realized it's a really bad shot. Let me see if I can shine some light on these guys here, so you guys can get a better look. There we go. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. I'm gonna put I gotta leave So I'm going to throw a camera in here real quick, just see if any more hatch. Maybe we'll catch it on video. But I don't know how good it's going to come out because obviously it's dark. Alright, so I got everything set up to put the chicks in here already. Got a heat lamp for them, some feed, and water. So I'm going to go grab from inside. I have this box here from when I last purchased chicks. So I'll just put them in here and bring them out. So let's go do that now. Alright, so here we are. Let's see how many chicks we ended up with here. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one. This is still trying to hatch out. So. Alright, I'm not going to move them yet then. I'm going to leave them in here for right now. Let that one hatch out because I don't want to. Hopefully with him hearing his brothers in here, it'll motivate him to try to hatch out a little bit more. I'll give him a while longer to try to hatch out, and then we'll come in and move them. Alright, well let's take a look in here and see. So that one finally hatched. He's looking a little weak. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to make it or not. You can see he's right here. Looking a little weak. Took him a while to hatch out, but he finally managed it. So I'm gonna leave this one in here by himself, take the rest of them and transfer them into the thing I have set up. So at least 8 healthy chicks that we have, so that's good. Hopefully that one makes it. It'll make number 9, and we'll go from there. So let's see. Let me put them all in here, then I'll take them out and I'll show you guys them once I put them into their into the brood box. I was trying to hide that. Come on. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry about the video. See there? Yeah, it's a little hard to see. I'll take them out and then you'll see them once I put them out. Alright, so I'm out here with them. I'm going to take them out. Dip their beaks in water so they know where it's at. I'm sure they shouldn't have any problem finding their food, hopefully. It's a little warm in here, but hopefully they can get to the water where it's at. Just hope I get some more chickens out of these and no more roosters. And hopefully it doesn't get too hot in here for them. Woo. Sorry about that, guy. Alright, 2 more. And then I'll keep you guys updated on that other chicken, or other chick. But yeah, we shall see. So there they are, all alive and real chirpy, which is good. So see that one there, actually it's drinking water, so that's good. See, so was that one there. So that's good. They're drinking water. They're doing good. So hopefully they'll. So it's a little warmer here, so I might just turn off this heat lamp and leave it on it. Turn it on at night. All right, so I turned it off. They're all huddled up. Let me move this little water here a little bit more this way. Whew. Yeah, even that plastic feels warm. So, all right. So hopefully they all do good.